If you're a real estate agent, the chances are you have heard the term burnout and why it's important to avoid that. So then why is it that most real estate agents are failing out of the business within their first 2 years? If you want to know how you can not only persevere past those 2 years, but actually excel in this business, then this video's for you. Stand by and I'm going to show you exactly what you can do to make sure that your business is a success. What's up, everybody? My name is Jeremy Smith with Living an Epic Life in Real Estate. And today we're going to talk about how not to be in the 75 to 90% of all agents whose businesses just don't make it past the first 2 years. Now, the first thing that we see when agents come into the business is they fail to have a plan for marketing and they fail to have a budget. So what we understand is that a lot of times we underestimate what it's going to cost us in marketing dollars, and we fail to have a budget that we stick to on a daily basis. So having that will actually help you to make sure that you are not part of the 75 to 90% that fail. Now, the second reason that most agents fail in the business is because even if they do have a plan, they don't have a marketing strategy that actually fits their personality. If you have a shy personality, you want to pick a marketing strategy that fits that and can use that as a strength versus going out and doing something that's going to appear to be a weakness for you. For instance, cold calling and networking, those may just be difficult tasks for you having a more shy personality. Although it is very necessary for you to break through those discomforts, it's really not a good formula to have yourself doing these things on a day-to-day basis. It's really going to increase the likelihood that you're gonna face burnout. So if you do have that shy personality, find a way to automate what you're doing in your marketing. Have somebody make calls for you or do reach outs for you on your behalf. Now, if you are an energetic person, insert yourself into areas where other energetic people are going to be. Maybe that's the gym, maybe it's some athletics, maybe it's networking events that you can go to, connect with other people and talk to them within your comfort zone and your strengths, and you'll see a lot of success that way. Now, the third mistake that we see happen a lot is agents end up choosing the wrong brokerage or the wrong team to get started with. And then what we do know is the right brokerage or the right team can really be an asset to you. You can find value in motivation, knowledge, partnerships, accountability, marketing, so many different things that you can win when you pick the right brokerage. But on the flip side of that, what we see if you pick the wrong brokerage is you can wind up feeling lonely, left out, isolated, undereducated, and not getting the value that you thought you were gonna get in the first place. Now, the fourth reason we see agents failing out of the business is because their time management needs improvement. So if you're constantly overbooking yourself, or you're forgetting to return phone calls of clients, you're not calling your leads, those can be very detrimental to your business. So you want to make sure that you're doing the best that you can to make sure you're managing your time appropriately. We encourage agents to use calendars on their phones, laptops. We use Google Calendars here at the Smith team, and that helps us to get reminders of what we're supposed to do and also to block our time so that it's repetitive day in and day out. We know exactly what we're doing at any given time so that we don't leave it up to memory, and we increase the opportunities for us to really get the things done that we know that we need to get done. And in fact, this is actually a very key part of your business and the success of it. And finally, we see a lot of agents that get into this business and they see that it's glamorized. They really think it's going to be easy. They're just going to get referrals and business is just going to come to them. And actually, that cannot be further from the truth. This business does take hard work. It takes consistency. It takes effort to master the craft in the background where nobody sees what you're doing. It takes a lot of hard work to do this. Real estate is a people business, and unless you're going to be willing to put in the work necessary, you're just not going to find the success that you hoped you would when you first got in. Now, hopefully all of this helps you to better understand why most agents fail so that you can do something different in your business and make sure that you are not part of that 75 to 90% of agents that fail out of the business in their first 2 years. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This is Living an Epic Life in Real Estate. We're here to help you live your best life in real estate. Let us know what questions you have and how we can help you do that. I'm Jeremy Smith. Take care.